Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song and we'll do all the guitar parts, and we're tuned to drop D. So our top string will be D, all the rest are the same, A, D, G, B and E. So let's get into it. So for our intro, and this is guitar 1, we're just doing 16th notes on the top E string, all palm muted. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a, do that again. 3 and a 4 and a, then play 3 on the E and the A for 1 and a, and then back to our palm muting on the open E to finish off the bar. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Now we're going to play the C power chord for 1 count, 1 and a, back to the open E again. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Then we're going to play the D power chord, back to our open E again, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. This time stay on the open E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a. Then play 2nd fret on the E and the A, 3rd fret E and A, back to our palm muting to finish off the bar, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Play the C power chord again, 1 and a, back to the open E again, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Then we're just going to play the 5th fret on the E for 2 bars with our palm muting again. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So then we have the main riff. We're going to play 3rd fret E and A and pull off to the open, and then just open palm muting. 1, 1, 2, 3 and do that again. Repeat it again, 3rd fret. Now this time do 3rd fret, pull off to the open on the E, 5th fret, pull off to the open, back to the 3rd fret, pull off to the open, and 2 more palm mutes. So let's try that slowly. Then we're going to repeat that again. This time we're going to play 3rd fret, pull off to the open, 5th fret, pull off to the open on the E, and then on the A do 3, hammer onto 5. And we just repeat that through 2 times there. So. 2 times there, and that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So guitar 2 is starting on our intro, and we're just playing the open E, A and D and hold for 2 bars. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then just play 3rd fret, E and A, hold for a bar, to the C power chord, hold for a bar, to the D power chord, hold for a bar, 3, 4, and then just rake up from the B string, play 2nd fret on the E and the A, 3rd fret E and A, so we're just following the first guitar. Then we have the C power chord, then we're coming up to the 5th fret again, and we're going to do 1 and off, 2 and then all offs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to the main riff again. The main riff there, and that's the intro. So for our verse, it's just that main riff, we just continue from the intro. Just do that 2 times and that's our verse. So for our pre-chorus, we're going to play the C power chord 2 times, then play 5th fret, E, A and D 2 times, back to the C 2 times, back to the 5th fret, E, A and D 2 times, jump to the 3rd fret, E, A and D, open A, bend the 3rd fret E, and then just play 2nd fret E, A and D to 3rd fret. And that's our pre-chorus there. So for our chorus, we just played the open E, A and D, the 3rd fret E, A and D, 5th fret E, A and D, and then do 3rd fret slide to 5th fret E, A and D, back to the 3rd fret open. Then we have this little fill, we're going to play 3rd fret on the D, play it again and pull off to the open, and then play 3rd fret A, pull off to the open. Back to the start again, open, 3s, 5s, 3 slide up to 5, 3 open, and now we're just going to finish on the C power chord with a down up. Then we just go back to our main riff again and play that through once, and that's our first chorus. From there we just go back to the verse and that stays the same, back to the pre-chorus and that stays the same. So for our second chorus, we're just going to play the first chorus all the way through. We do our C power chord at the end, and then we're going back to 3, E, A and D slide up to 5, back to the 3s to the opens, and then put a slide in. And that's our second chorus there. Then we have our post-chorus. We're just going to play 3 on the E, A and the D, to the C power chord, 5, E, A and D, to the D power chord, back to the 3, E, A and D, to the C power chord, and they're all for a bar, and then back to the 5, E, A and D, then come up to the 7, and we're going to do a down, up, down, up, down, up 2 times. And they just finish with the down, up, and that's our post-chorus C. Then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. It's going to be similar to our main riff, but we're coming up the neck. This time we're going to play 8 on the E and the A, pull off to 5, and then our palm muting on the 5. Do that again. So it's a similar feel to our main riff. And again. Now this time we're going to do 8 pull off to 5, 10 pull off to 5, back to 8 pull off to 5, so big stretch there, and then our 5s to finish, and we're doing that 4 times. And then we just go back to the main riff again and play that through once, back to our 3, and finish that rip off there, and that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Then for our bridge, we're going to be playing 3rd fret E, A and D again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back to the 2nd fret and then a palm mute on the open E. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just go to a C power chord and play it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the 5, E, A and D 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to play the D, C, B, A, B, C. Then we go go back to 3 on the E, A and D again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to palm mute the second fret on the E 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and open E. Then we go back to the C power chord 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come up to the 5th fret on the E, A and the D, and we're going to do it down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Move up to 7th fret E, A and D and do the same. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then just 6 down. 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's our bridge there. Then we have our outro chorus, and this changes a little bit from the main chorus. We're going to play our E, A and D 4 times. Then 3rd fret E, A and D 4 times. 5th fret E, A and D 4 times. Our slide from 3 to 5. 3, open, and the fill stays the same. Repeat that again. Up to the 3s. To the 5s. Our 3 slide to 5, 3 open to our C power chord 2 times, and then do the slide again, 3 to 5, 3 open, and then just put a slide in. Now this time the timing changes. We're going to do the 3 slide to 5, we're going to hold on the 3, then play the open, and then we do 4 palm mutes on the open E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do that 2 times. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do our 3 slide to 5 again. Our 3 open. Then we go back to the first riff again. Just play it once. Then we're jumping to a C power chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the 5th fret E and A. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. And then just do our slide again. 3, open. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's tackle the solo. So for our solo, we're going to start with the 3rd fret harmonic on the B string, pull our bar up and then tap on 18, B. Then we're playing 17, pull off the 15 on the B 2 times, 18 on the G, back to 15, B, back to the G, 18, 15, and then 17, 15, pull off, 17, 15, pull off, 17, D, 17, G, 15, G's, slowly. Jump back to 17 on the B, play it once and then play it again and pull off the 15. This time go 17 on the G, 15 B, back to G, 17, 15, pull off 17, 15 2 times. 17 D, 17 G, 15 on the G. Then do 15, hammer onto 16 on the G, 17 D, back to the G, 15, to the D, 17, 15, 17, pull off the 15, 17 on the A, 17 on the D, then bend 15 on the D, play 17 D, bend 15 on the D again. Then we're doing this little arpeggio, 12G, 13B, 15E 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Then we have 12, slide to 15 on the D. play 15G, 15D, 17G, 15D, 18G, 15D, 17G, and then 2 bends on the 17, and play 17. You can do those with pinched harmonics there. Then we come back 3rd fret, slide to the 5th fret on the D, and play the open G 2 times. And we do that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to finish off, we're going to play 17 on the B 2 times, 15, 17 on the G, jump to 18 on the B, pull off the 15 2 times, 18, 15, E, back to B, 18, 15, and bend 18 there. So. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Slave to the Grind Guitar Lesson by Skid Row. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.